So the other thing's obviously dead, yeah?
And you're watching Winter Watch.
And I watch
dead,
Winter Watch. Oh, it's dead.
Yeah.
I'm saying, will you take it away? Will I end up then having to get rid
Dump
of it?
it,
all
yeah.
then? And the birds were singing, but they've stopped. Because
Right.
obviously
They're all gone now.
they're all afraid.
Yeah.
I think it's a starling. It's not.
Yeah, he is a bit big, Lil. You're right. Yeah. God, that's incredible.
Sight. To behold. And he certainly has looked up and seen us.
He's having a nice supper.
Yeah, you'd wonder now, is it nice? He's saying, oh, this is gorgeous.
I'm sure. For him it is. Because the birds were just at their loudest, and then
The silence.
I looked out and I thought, oh feck, what have I seen again?
God, that was a good time you looked out, Lil.
Oh, look,
Look,
he's
look.
not dead.
He's
Oh
not
no,
dead.
Declan.
Jeez.
Isn't he? Oh no.
That's why he's standing on him.
No.
Yeah, that's why he's standing on him.
Oh, he's not.
That's awful now. Should we get rid of
Look, oh, he's slapping him, look.
The
Too
bird
late
is
now,
ghost
he's
now, Lil.
ghost now, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, sugar.
He's not dead.
So maybe,
That's why he hasn't left.
maybe he was just conked out.
That's
After
going on
waking
for a
up.
long time.
He must have been knocked out.
He must have the shock.
Hmm.
Now maybe he'll get away, but he's probably injured. He has to be at this
He
stage.
has to be.
He's going to sit on him now, look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, he's going to smother him.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Isn't he clever now? Look at the way he's sitting.
Yeah. Well used to this, love.
True. Oh, look! He has him in his... Did you get him going? He has him in his claw.
Yeah.
Let's see now if he flies off with him.
He might just go under.
He's
there.
gone
Under
under
the
the
trees, yeah.
Oh, come back here, you.
Oh, do, because I don't want it underneath there, because then the rats or mice will have him.
Why is he going there?
He's chasing him, obviously. Your man is trying to get away.
Maybe when he's dead, he'll fly off with him.
He was trying
Yeah, he
to
couldn't fly off with him alive.
kill him by
Yeah.
1,000 cuts.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pecks.
Yeah,
he's
definitely.
pecking.
Taken away, yeah.